In this video, I'm going to give you a brief overview on how to connect OBS to Restream to simulcast your next live stream. The first thing that you're going to want to do is head over to restream.io and sign yourself up for an account. They have a free account which has a Restream watermark, but if you're okay with that, it'll be a great way for you to get started. After that, they remove the watermark, add extra channels, add recording backups, and also allow you to do more with their Restream Studio, which I will tell you about more at the end of this video. Please feel free to use this referral link or find it down in the description to receive a $10 credit after your first live stream and also support this channel. After you've created an account, you're going to be sent over into this destinations page. To add a channel, all you have to do is hit this add channel button and choose the platform that you'd like to stream to. Log into that platform and it will appear right here. This little cogwheel over here will allow you to change the title. If you're using a YouTube event, you're able to change the event that you're going to be going live to. You've also have the ability to do custom RTMP for things like Vimeo. So that's how you create a channel. The next thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to connect Restream to OBS. Any live stream software that you're using should be able to work with Restream. But again, for OBS, what you want to do is you want to head into your settings, stream, and then under service, hit restream.io. Server auto detect. I'm going to disconnect my account here really quick so you can see what happens when you connect an account. And now you have your account connected and you hit OK. Now in OBS, docs pop up, one being a way for you to edit your titles, the other being a way for you to select the channels that you want to go live to. And another one, which is my favorite feature of Restream, is the chat. Now this chat is really cool because it's actually a bot that will send your chats that are happening on Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, all to each other so that if your audience is on Facebook, they can communicate with those who are watching on YouTube and so on and so forth. I personally do not edit my titles or go live in OBS. I always go back to the browser to do that. I should briefly mention that if you're connecting it to StreamYards, or another live stream software, you're going to have to use the custom RTMP feature that's built into Restream. Super easy to connect, but you're not going to get those really cool dock pop-ups that allow you to do certain things in Restream directly within OBS. Now you have OBS connected to Restream, and when you hit Start Streaming, you will see then that in Restream, a preview monitor shows up of the stream. It's a nice little buffer, essentially, to make sure that everything is working before you go to any of the platforms. And then you just hit this little toggle button right next to the channels that you want to go live to. Oh. Poppy is very excited about the ability to live stream to all of these different channels here. Like I said, there are some other features within Restream that I'm not going to go into too much detail, but they have the option to actually schedule live videos to go live at specific times. And again, they can stream across multiple platforms. There is an upgrade charge to be able to do that. There is cloud storage. I believe that the Pro account is the first account that gives you about 6 hours of storage space, which is pretty nice. Always great to have backups if you can. And then they also have the live studio option, which allows you, like they say, to stream professionally from your browser. So this will allow you to essentially create a show where you can invite on guests, you can create graphic overlays, captions. It's essentially an OBS kind of in a browser that allows you to go live and create a show. If this is something that you're interested in, it's definitely something that I've seen a lot of people use, and it works very well. If you found this useful, hit that like button, leave me a comment below, and subscribe to the channel to learn more about live streaming, audio, video production, and also check out all of our live streamed concerts and events that we host here on the BCN YouTube channel.